Fruits have been celebrated throughout history for their vibrant flavors and natural sweetness, but their real magic lies in the potent health benefits they offer. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, many fruits can be considered as nature's medicine. In this video, we'll explore the top 13 fruits that not only tantalize your taste buds but also act as healers for your well-being. 1. Blueberries, the brain booster. Blueberries are often referred to as brain berries due to their remarkable cognitive enhancing properties. They are rich in antioxidants that help protect brain cells from oxidative damage, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline and improving memory. 2. Apples, nature's digestive aid. An apple a day keeps the doctor away is a saying that holds truth. Apples are high in fiber, which aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and prevents constipation. They're also a source of vitamin C, which supports your immune system. 3. Bananas, the potassium powerhouse. Bananas are a fantastic source of potassium, a mineral essential for heart health and muscle function. Consuming bananas can help maintain healthy blood pressure and keep your muscles working optimally. 4. Oranges, immune system boosters. Oranges are bursting with vitamin C, a nutrient known for its immune-boosting properties. This vitamin is crucial for the production of white blood cells that defend your body against infections. 5. Strawberries, heart-healthy sweetness. Not only are strawberries delicious, but they are also packed with antioxidants that promote heart health. Regular consumption can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. 6. Pineapples, anti-inflammatory delights. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It can reduce pain and swelling, making pineapples a natural remedy for arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. 7. Kiwi, digestive health and more. Kiwi fruits are rich in vitamin C and fiber, aiding digestion and supporting the immune system. They also promote healthy skin, thanks to their vitamin E content. 8. Avocado, creamy heart protector. Although technically a fruit, avocados are renowned for their healthy fats that can lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also rich in potassium, which is essential for blood pressure regulation. 9. Pomegranates, antioxidant powerhouses. Pomegranates are a treasure trove of antioxidants, especially punicolagens and anthocyanins. These compounds may reduce the risk of chronic diseases and lower blood pressure. 10. Cherries, nature's pain reliever. Cherries are not only delicious but also contain compounds that help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. This makes them beneficial for conditions like gout and arthritis. 11. Grapes, heart protective elegance. Red and purple grapes are high in resveratrol, a compound associated with heart protective effects. This antioxidant can help relax blood vessels and reduce the risk of blood clots. 12. Mangoes, eye health and more. Mangoes are a fantastic source of vitamin A, which is vital for eye health. They also provide a generous dose of vitamin C, supporting the immune system. 13. Papayas, digestive enzymes. Papayas contain enzymes like papain, which aid digestion. They are also rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and folate, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Incorporating these 13 fruits into your daily diet can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. While they can't replace traditional medicine for serious health conditions, they can certainly contribute to a healthier and happier life. So, the next time you enjoy a juicy, sweet fruit, remember that you're not just savoring its taste, you're nourishing your body with nature's medicine.